Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel DM Tech. Guys, on this video, we will see how we can make eshram card online. Very easy and very quick, very simple step. So for this, your mobile number should be connected with Aadhaar. If it is not, then you can apply with the nearest CSC center. If it is connected with your Aadhaar, means your mobile is updated with Aadhaar, then you have to simple click on register on eshram portal online. After click, you have two further options: self registration. Here you have to put your registered mobile number which is connected with your Aadhaar card and enter the captcha here. And simply you have to put both of options no and send OTP here. So your Aadhaar will generate one OTP. You have to submit and you have to click here again your Aadhaar card number here. Okay, and you have to click on checkbox. After checkbox, then again your OTP will generate, and submit it. So after submit here, a registration form will be open. You have to verify all the details and continue here. Continue. The second options will come the personal informations. So we have to put all the personal informations like email address, marital status, father's name, social category, blood group, differential abilities, nominee details. So nominee details, yes, no, whatever you can choose as per your choice. So then again you have to save and continue. The next option, the residential details. So this is basically present details where we are living. So we have to require put the home state name, house name, locality, state, district, subdivision, pin code, and this all the details we require to fill up. Staying current locations, how many year it is required. Then if you are migrant worker, if suppose you are living in other state, then it is required to select yes, and what you are doing that required to select. If you are not migrant worker, then it is required to click simply no. Okay, the further option is your permanent and present address are same. So if it is same, then click OK. Otherwise, removes the checkbox. So then again required to permanent address. It is required to fill. The next window, it is come the education qualification. So it is required to fill up the education qualification here. Okay. So whatever you have select your education qualifications and required to select the certificate. That is not mandatory. You can click on, you can upload that. Now the next option is monthly income slab. So it is required to, and it is required you can upload the income certificate. Okay, now next option is occupation and skill. So what is your occupations like? You are carpenter, then simply you have to click on that. Okay, here is a one list is also available, so you can choose the suitable occupation, and if you see with the occupation, there is suitable code also available. So it is required to take the code and occupation, whatever the suitable for you. You can take the reference from this list and you can put simply the code here. So I put the code, simply it come automatically. Working experience we have to put here. Okay, if you have any skill skill in the particular field, then you have to click on that and you have to put the skill development in these things. Then again save and continue you have to here. Then next option is bank account details here. So this is very important. Very carefully you have to put all the bank details like your account numbers, IFC code, bank name, branch name, all the things, because whatever the beneficiary schemes is giving by the government of India, it will come directly to this account. So this information should be very correct. Now the final details will come. So here all the entire details you can see here. You can verify, you can print this details. If you see that all the details are fine, all details are correct, then you have to click on checkbox and submit. After submit, your eShram card is generated automatically. So guys, this is very important card, that is universal. This card have the universal account number. We have like different cards, PAN card, Aadhaar card. Similarly, in the eShram card, we have gated the universal account number. So with this eShram card, we can take benefit in the different schemes which is given by the government of India, like any economic beneficials, some schemes for the children's scholarships, schemes for insurance related. So lot of schemes are coming from the government of India. So by help of eShram card, we can take benefit of these schemes. So this card is very important. So guys, I hope you learn that how we can apply self for the eShram card online. So thank you so much for see this video. I hope you enjoy. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.